Look at how beautiful you are, Sonia.
Okay.
Look at you.
Whose favorite things about spring? One morning, Winnie the Pooh woke up to the sound of icicles melting. Drip, drip,
What's your feet, Cara?
He rumbled his sleepy eyes, felt the sunshine pouring through his window like warm honey. Time for a little something, he decided happily.
Read a little louder, sweetie.
Pooh went to his cupboard to find his breakfast. Oh, brother, he said, his honey cups were empty. Cheer up, cheerfully, cheer up, cheerfully,
Oh.
sang a robin outside Pooh's window.
You like your sister reading to you, sweetie? She's a good reader, huh? Sonia.
Began to feel like singing too.
Mwah.
Since the spring is springing, I can hear the robin singing, and the icicles are melting, drip, drip, and drip. So I'm following the buzzing bees, skipping to the honey tree.
I'll read this page. Pooh took a honey pot and went out into the fine, warm morning. He skipped through the soft grass, up the path toward the honey tree. When he reached the bridge, he rested for a little bit to watch the river racing underneath. Up above Sonia, little clouds were playing in the air, and all around him the forest was putting on their new green lace.
Oh, Sonia did this one to that.
I know. She likes her name being in the story. Read the next page and put her name in it.
Hello, Sonia, called Rabbit. Time for sitting. It's springtime. Time to get the garden planted. Rabbit hurried past the wheelbarrow, full of tools and seeds. Oh, said Sonia. Then he rumbled up his own.
She's going crazy.
Tummy made her remember breakfast. No time for sitting, she thought. Sonia picked up her honey pot and walked through the meadow, all bright with flowers, and she sang a little more of her song. Oh, the big river's racing and the beech trees are lacing. Spring is really springing all around. So I'm following the buzzing bees, skipping to the honey trees.
Before she knew it, Sonia had reached the place where the stepping stones went across the stream. 1, 2, 3, Sonia stepped, but at the third stone the sun felt so warm she decided to have a little sit. Your turn, sweetie.
She listened to the creek bubbling and to the spring peepers chirping. She watched a baby turtle and 4 boats crawling along the rocks. Hello, Sonia, called Owl, flying overhead. Isn't it a glorious day? I'm off to spring cleaning. No time for sitting. Time to feather the nest. Goodbye, Owl, called Sonia, and once again, Sonia's tummy reminded her that she hadn't had any breakfast. No time for sitting, she thought. She picked up her honey pot and strolled through the green and mossy woods, and she sang, I hear the people peeping, but the shiny beetles are creeping, and are out.